Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my Canva Masterclasses. In the previous lecture we have learned about timing. Today we are going to explore one of Canva's pro, not free, pro, most powerful feature, that is Magic Resize. So today the first lecture is of Canva Pro, and after that all lectures are from Canva Pro. Some are also we can do in Canva Free, but other are in Pro, okay? So firstly, question is, what is Magic Resize? Magic Resize what Magic Resize do? Magic Resize allow you to convert one design into multiple sizes with just one click. Instead of creating the same design again and again, Canva automatically resize it for different platforms. So let's get started. So, by the end of this lecture, I will open Canva and tell you that next things. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand what is Magic Resize, resize design from different platforms, copy and resize design, save time using Canva Pro feature. So, some people are making notes and I will definitely help them to make them notes. So, one question is, the heading, our lecture topic is Magic Resize. So, what is Magic Resize? Magic Resize is a Canva Pro feature that automatically changes the size of your design from different platforms. For example, Instagram post to Instagram story, Instagram post to Facebook post, YouTube thumbnail to Facebook cover, presentation to A4 documents. This save time, keep your design constant. So let's start practical. Open Instagram post design. These are some design created by my little brother. So I will open this one. I think I will open this one. And now click on resize on the top left tool, on the left top. Click on Magic Resize and now select I will create Facebook post. Click on Facebook post, copy and resize or resizes this design. Firstly, I will do copy and resize. Now, it's resizing my design into Facebook post size. Okay? Open Facebook post. So this is the Facebook post size just in one tick. Remember, this resize is created in 1 minute. Okay? Originally this one, and the resize we have designed, this is that design. Okay? Canva will create a new design of the selected item. If you want to adjust any element from this, you can adjust it if it is needed. So, real examples. Imagine your design an Instagram post for the product. Instead of creating a new design for Facebook or Instagram stories, simply use Magic Resize to generate the new version in seconds. For getting the Magic Resize in Canva Pro feature, these are common mistakes. Not checking resize design for alignment. Assuming every element with profits. Here are some pro tips. Always review your design before downloading. Like I have reviewed my design before downloading. Use copy and resize to keep your original size unchanged. Make a small adjustment to the text and image after resizing the best result. So you have to practice me and send it on my Instagram. And in last lecture, someone comment me that my Instagram requests are off. Now I have opened my Instagram request. Daily, do your assignment and send me on my Instagram. I will check it. And many of you are asking that this course, after doing this course, we will get certificate or not. You will get certificate, free certificate. If you want to receive a certificate of completion free Canva course, you need to complete a few sample requirements throughout the course. First, you must watch 60 lectures completely and actively follow the course, okay? For every lecture, you have to like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel. And you have to subscribe to my all social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, okay? Facebook Z have I, Instagram Z have I, DP is same like YouTube. Complete the practice task given in the lecture. Share your practice work on Instagram. Okay, I will surely reply you. Or if you don't want to share me on Instagram message, so post a story and tag me, I will reshare. Or if you don't want to post a story, then post a Facebook post, Instagram post and tag me. Okay, so I will reshare it. Tag Z have I so I can see your work and reshare it. Once you successfully complete all 60 lectures and complete the requirement practice activity, you will be enabled to receive your Canva Masterclass certificate free, absolutely free. So don't just watch the lecture, practice, create, share and complete the journey. Complete all 60 lecture practice, complete the practice daily, share your progress, get the free certificate. Okay? Thank you so much for watching this lecture. Practice, use Magic Resize with your own design to save your time, improve productivity. In this lecture, we are going to learn about export option and discover the best file format for downloading and sharing Canva design. See you in next lecture. Happy designing. Allah Hafiz.